So children, today we will learn about the role of computers in learning and teaching. How is computer helping us to learn new things and how is it helping us in teaching? Computers are changing the world very fast. So the computer is changing the world very fast. That does not mean it is changing the environment, but it is changing the technology and how we are using it. It is changing how we used to work before and everything is getting automated. We will learn how is it changing the world. To keep up with these changes, we should also bring changes in our way of learning. So, to keep up with all these changes, to be able to work in today's world, it is very important that we should learn to use computer and we should learn how is it changing our way of learning. Computer is a wonderful tool. It's a very good tool for teaching and learning. It has made learning of the subject very interesting and friendly for the students. So computer has made that learning very interesting for the students, and you must have realized it during this time when all your teachers are taking help of the technology to prepare your lesson plans, to prepare the presentations on the computer, and you watch those videos and you understand better, right? So you all are experiencing all these things. You are experiencing how it is making all the subjects very interesting for you, because I'm pretty sure all the teachers are sometimes sharing some videos to make the learning interesting for you. Let us now meet the wonderful tool and look at the role in teaching and learning. Now we will meet this wonderful tool. What is the wonderful tool? A computer. And we will see what is the role in teaching and learning. What is the role of this wonderful tool, which is the computer, in teaching and learning. Lot of information at a click. So what is the first function? How is it helping you? You can get a lot of information at a click. So when you go to the internet and you want to find out information about any topic, it is just a click away. You open Google and you write what you want to search for, and you just do a click on your mouse and you get a lot of information. A computer with internet acts as an ocean of information. So as you know that on internet you have lot of information about any topic that you want to learn. So it is just like an ocean of information. Just like an ocean has a lot of water in it, similarly internet has a lot of information on it. That is why we call it ocean of information. Both students and teachers can benefit from it. So both the students as well as the teachers can benefit from this information. They can search and get answers on any question just at a click. So whether it is a student or a teacher, everybody can get the answers to their questions through internet. Teachers get material on any topic and get ideas on various activities. So as we do a lot of activities, we get a lot of ideas to do these activities on the internet. And if you have some idea, you can also put it on the internet for others to use it. So this is the way it is helping the teachers. The teachers can plan good activities and they can search for better activities on the internet, such as quizzes, worksheets, and setting question papers. So teachers also get help in setting up the question paper with the help of internet. They can find materials and questions and they can design the question paper. better presentation. So the presentation has become better. How? Let's learn. With the help of a computer, information can be easily modified and presented in a better way. So you must have seen some videos with a lot of information in computer itself, where the presentations are made on the computer. Use of audio video ideas aids. So the use of audio and video aids. With the help of different audio and video clips, teachers can make their lessons interactive. So you must have noticed it during this time that the teachers are creating interactive audio and video clips with the help of the technology. Color, sounds and movements of objects add a fun element to the learning process. So when you see the objects moving and when you hear the sounds and you see the colorful presentations, it makes the learning process easy and filled with fun. You must have noticed this in the computer presentations, where you have seen colorful presentations with objects moving, text appearing, text disappearing, right? So all this can be done with the help of a computer. Teachers can make use of educational games and CDs to motivate the students and help them learn in a playway method. So teachers can make use of educational games. I have given you activities, right? I have searched the internet to find such activities for you, so that learning becomes fun for you and it is a better way of learning. Use of smart class has simplified the learning and teaching methods. So do you remember when you were in school, your teachers used to take you to the AV room where you see the presentations? So this is what they are referring to. Smart class is a class where you have the facility to see a video. So you go to the AV room and you see the videos there. So this is what it is. Smart classes, which has made learning and teaching methods simplified. Online teaching and testing. So you all are going through the online teaching and testing nowadays. Now education is not limited to the classrooms only. You all understand it very well that the education is not limited to your classroom, right? You can get educated online also. Teachers and students can interact with each other even if they are miles apart. So even if you are far away from your teachers, you can interact with the help of internet, with the help of the electronic devices. Online tests can be conducted and results can be maintained quickly. So you all have gone through the online test and you have the upcoming test. So with the help of computers, online tests can be conducted and the correction can also be done. So you all know, you send me the work on Google Classroom where you get the corrected work back. So this is what it is. We can conduct classes online, we can conduct the test online, and you can also get the corrected notebooks or the results very quickly online. Information on a computer cannot be modified and presented in a better way. This is false again. Computers are used in offices for calculating marks. Do you calculate marks in the office? No, this is also false. If you get material on any topic, you can get material on any topic from internet. That is true, you can get it. Colors, sounds and movements add a fun element to the learning process. True. Now let's do the Match the following by coloring each box on the right with the same color on the left. So first one is makes lesson interactive. What makes lesson interactive? Audio and visual aid. So you will color it pink for 1. To print bills, where do you print the bills? In shops. So this should be blue. Designing and printing is done in the books and newspapers. 3. This should be green. Making timetable. Where do you make timetable? In schools. So this should be orange. To book tickets. Where do you book tickets? Railway stations and airports. So this should be yellow. Okay. Now, pick the right answer. A dash helps doctors to know more about diseases and their causes. It's a computer. A computer helps the dash to make security weapons. Who makes the security weapons? Military, doctors or teachers? It is the military. A computer lets you send and receive dash in offices. Fruits, messages, wires. It is messages. Dash is used to withdraw money. Where do you withdraw money from? Car, tablet computer or ATM? It is the ATM. Complete these 3 activities, and in the next class we will write the question and answers in the notebook, as well as we will try to do the answers in the book.